Welcome to all of you. Today we will solve numerical based on pH of buffer solution. In last videos we have studied what is meant by buffer, types of buffer, then how to determine pH of acidic and basic buffer using Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer is pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 of concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid, and the pOH of basic buffer is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 of concentration of salt divided by concentration of weak base. And once you calculate the pOH, you can calculate pH of the solution using this equation. pH plus pOH is equal to 14, that you know, and pH is equal to therefore 14 minus pOH. So using this equation we can calculate pH of basic buffer also. Now see here the problem. Calculate pH of buffer solution containing 0.05 mole sodium fluoride per liter and 0.015 mole HF per liter. Ka is equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this example shows that it is an acidic buffer, as HF is a weak acid and sodium fluoride is a salt of strong base of weak acid. So the concentration of sodium fluoride is given, that is 0.05 molar, and concentration of weak acid HF is 0.015, and dissociation constant of weak acid is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So substituting this value we can calculate pH of the solution. So first we have to calculate pKa, and pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Ka. So we substitute the value of Ka in this equation, minus log to the base 10 of 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4, that is equal to minus log to the base 10 of 7.2 plus minus 4 log to the base 10 of 10. But log to the base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. So that is equal to minus 0. Log to the base 10 of 7.2 is 0.8573 minus 4. But minus becomes plus, and therefore plus 4 minus 0.8573, and that is equal to 3.1427. That is equal to pKa. Now substituting this value of pK in this equation, we get 3.1427 plus log to the base 10 of concentration of salt is 0.05 molar and concentration of weak acid HF is 0.015 molar. If you solve this, then it comes 3.33. Therefore 3.1427 plus log to the base 10 of 3.33. So 3.1427 log of this 3.33 is 0.5224. So 3.1427 plus 0.5224, that is equal to 3.6651, nearly equal to 3.67. So thus you can calculate the pH of acidic buffer. Now we will see how to calculate the pH of basic buffer. So calculate pH of buffer solution composed of 0.1 molar weak base BOH and 0.2 molar of its salt BA. BA is a salt of weak base and strong acid, and therefore Kb, that is dissociation constant of weak base, is given, that is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So it is a basic buffer, and BOH is a weak base and BA is a salt of weak base and strong acid. Concentration of salt is given to you, that is 0.015 2 molar. And concentration of weak base is also given to you, and it is 0.1 molar. Kb of POH, that is weak base, is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So substituting this value, we get, first you have to calculate what? The pKb. And pKb is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Kb, and that is equal to minus log to the base 10 of 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. That is equal to minus log to the base 10 of 1.8 plus minus 5 log to the base 10 of 10. Log to the base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. And log to the base 10 of 1.8 is equal to 0.2553. So minus 0.2553 minus 5, that is equal to 5 minus 0.2553, and it is equal to 4.7447. that is the pKb. Now substituting this value in Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for basic buffer. For basic buffer, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is like this: POH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 of molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of base, weak base. And pKb is equal to how much? 4.7447 plus log to the base 10 of molar concentration of salt is 0.2 and molar concentration of weak base is 0.1. So log to the base 10 of 0.2 divided by 0.1, that comes 2. So 4.7447 plus log to the base 10 of 2, and log to the base 10 of 2 is 0.3010. So 4.7447 plus 0.3010, and that is equal to 5.0457. So this is the value of POH. Now once you get POH, you can calculate pH using this equation, that is pH plus POH is equal to 40. Therefore pH is equal to 14 minus POH. So subtract this value of POH from 14. So 14 minus 5.05, 14 minus 5.0457, that is equal to 13.9543. So pH of the solution is equal to, this basic buffer solution is 13.95. So like this you can calculate the pH as well as POH of acidic and basic buffer. Thank you.